Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Menteri rang ba kadzalaw Konrad ke sangma mentakas ngi ulalit banjurib ya ki jaka balasyakta jur ka jingshlei ha ki jaka bamadan ha Garo Hills ha kababuan ki briew ki balahap ban pet bansa sya ki jaka ki bakham shingan banlat na ka jingshlei ki jaka ki balasyakta palat ha kani ka jingshlei ki long kathan sel kata ka nama bila bad haripur ha kini ka jingla jurib menteri rang ba ula samru ya ki marbam sya ki bala syakta ha ka jingshlei ula lait banjingo ru ya ki jakasa ki bala bu kerpang ya ki bashlei menteri rang ba ula lait dakaling banlap daladehi ya ka jingsyakta ki pajba na kini ka jingshlei wala ya kendu iki briew ki bala kenri aying jrong surok banlat na ka jingpoy ka ha kini ka jinglat ki officer na katanat sarkar kila senran lang yu menteri rang ba kajala ha kini ka jinglat banjingo ya ki shnong ki thau ki longying ki basyakta ha kini ka jingshlei ha ki benta jong ki jaka pamadan jong ka Garo Hills.
Yeah, we have come here towards the plain belt area of Garo Hills, mainly in Shilkata area, Namabila, Haripur, and all across. As we know that there's a lot of flood right now, and the water levels are almost over 5 to 6 feet up above normal. And as per the estimates that I have received, close to about 30,000 families have been affected in the whole belt out here. So we are right now in the Shilkata region. We have seen, as you can also see visually, that's quite a bad situation, and the administration has very quickly moved into action. I must appreciate that and mention it. And they have provided general relief to the citizens who are affected and the houses affected. They have also provided shelter and safety, and there has been no loss of life till now. So all the citizens have been evacuated and put into shelter homes in safe places, and we will wait and see how things go, and wherever there is any kind of danger or any kind of situation where we find that anybody could be affected, we are on alert, and we'll ensure that the individuals are shifted out quickly from there and brought into safety. So we'll continue to monitor the situation, but as I said, this is a natural calamity, and as I said, all the support required from the government and from the administration is being provided to the affected families.